In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your IRS payment confirmation number. First, think about how you made your payment. If you paid through IRS Direct Pay from your bank account, the confirmation number is shown immediately after you submit the payment. It's also sent the email address you provided. So, check your inbox and spam folder for a confirmation email from the IRS. If you already closed the page, you can go back to the IRS Direct Pay website and use the Look Up a Payment option by entering your bank details and payment date. If you paid using debit or credit card, the confirmation number usually comes from the third-party payment processor, not directly from the IRS. Check the email receipt from the processor on your card statement for reference or confirmation number. For payments made through EFTPS, log into your EFTPS account and view your payment history, where the confirmation number is listed next to each payment. You can also check your IRS online account to see posted or pending payments. Always save or screenshot your confirmation number for future reference, especially in case of payment disputes or IRS notices.